Static electricity is detrimental to many processes. It can attract contamination, cause shocks to operators, and create sparks that could start fires or damage sensitive electronic components. It can be created when insulative materials come into contact with each other, when they're cut or when plastics are moulded. Electric fields and radiation such as UV light can also cause static electricity. Here we're looking at ionised air guns. These are designed for targeted neutralisation and contamination removal. The 4125 and 4825 ionised air guns feature robust, modular designs for easy use and maintenance and shockless operation. There are two variants of 4125 gun, allowing for top or bottom air feed. Power is supplied by Fraser HP high voltage power units, which can serve from 2 to 4 air guns depending on the model chosen. External ionisation gives more static neutralisation power, while the air nozzle amplifies the compressed air by a factor of 20 to 1. The result, high thrust and cleaning efficiency with minimum air consumption. The 4125 is used to clean mouldings, signs, graphics, lenses, mechanical and electrical assemblies, automobile painting, mirrors, windscreens and many other applications. It's certified for use in clean rooms to ISO Class 6. The HV cable has been tested for 5 million flex cycles and 6 million torsion cycles. The 4825 provides excellent neutralisation power even at longer distances. It is a 24 volt 7 kilovolt pulsed DC ionising gun, suitable for the most demanding cleaning and static neutralising applications. The tungsten emitters give it unlimited life. The integrated high voltage electronics mean that no high voltage cables are needed. Both the 4125 and 4825 have ergonomic full hand triggers, making them suitable for all day, fatigue-less operator use, while giving operators excellent control over the airflow. To find the ideal product for your needs, simply contact the sales team.